people, now welcome back again to my channel. As your boy Prince TV, you don't set. You know, so the one that they complain, say the background not good, this, that, and that, all those kind of stuff. Now we don't go cambia everything, understand? Aha, we don't go cambia everything for now. So that now they like the background and I'll see as everything they play. So you never subscribe to this channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that anytime we put our video, you'll be saying that you're gonna be the first person to see this video. You know as they happen. So without wasting time today, we'll talk a three topic when the BC now will get for ground, when the BC now they run for social media. So when this girl, when the BC he can go attack Savini, where they do for a campaign, you understand? That one one topic. Another one again we'll talk again. Now the update about Obaseki for the election what they want to do for Edo State. Alright, so another one again we'll still talk about either Savini will still come back to power or be you know go still come back to power. So all those things can be little updates what we'll handle for this particular video. So you will never subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and then you hit the like button and then you will still share and go out so that video will see the move, you understand? So without wasting time and there must be to almost as it take place. So now that thing happen when you come to say this girl come they like the attacks having for inside that place. So come they say lie you say no go let and go. So what this man don't do, you don't destroy many things. Okay, you don't destroy many things for this Italy. Now make it sound say this girl come attack, I understand. Maybe this girl don't try maybe do a resident all those kind of stuff, but because of the laws having because it get many people when he busy on a very good day, they won't they like they think say what this man they do for Italy not just good and not true. But most still go another side, most say as it be. So if you think and where you know say yes, what did that girl do? Really, not to make sense like that because as a political leader and as a politician, you not get right to like go to harass them like that, no matter what. Because if you still go check and so, if you go our country for take fear no go let you say you the near senator. You know even near local government chairman, let alone as a minister. You understand? So what did that girl do? Myself personally, I condemn him. No matter how she's having a bad person or they try to wicked with the immigrant, but respect is given to whom respect is due, you understand? So what did that girl do on a very good day? Not to make sense like that, but at least it good for Savini, but not to make sense, you understand? So now so it be. So without wasting time, we'll go straight to another news more as it happen again.
Prince TV.
Alright, my people, now welcome back again to my channel. Alright, we'll talk about the issue when they say that they happen for those states. So now not say the Obaseki, the former that is not the former, never become former, I still be the governor, understand? So the governor of those states, so what they call Godwin Obaseki, he don't call out yesterday on the campaign, say may they come vote for them, say this school went there for you and I build them, this one went there for you and I do them, say he promised them, say go give the lights when he come back, say may they come vote for them, say if he come back he go put the lights, go do everything. Guy, when I hear this thing, I call the reason and say, if you go check them, all these are our leaders when this is the day Africa, both the governor, senator, president, vice president, in fact, from presidents to local chairman, you understand? All of them are people when they say na football, now they do so. If they're there for power, they don't go do the thing, make them stand for eye. They will leave and say now they want still come back to do election, you understand? So this man come and I say go do everything for Edo State. So guy, if you go check out now say APC and PDP don't fail for inside this our Nigeria, understand? You don't fail. Nigeria no go fit get sense say make they change this party, make they even still use a new party. See the time when it be say show where come out say make they vote for them. Oh our youth come they say like say so whether who know show whether who know this. Must you know somebody before you vote them? At least you go test them. If you be say no good, you still remove and the next one, but they say no, say Nabuari they want to man when the be say not they speak English. I bet more not go to talk too much for you. So for those of them who be say I never hear when Obaseki they cut chain say me they vote for them. Demonstrate.
Addressing the mammoth crowd of party supporters, Governor Godwin Obaseki promised to consolidate on his track record of infrastructural development by building more schools, provide electricity and potable water if re-elected. He urged the people to come out with their PVC and vote for PDP on the election day.
Not be me building school for here. I bring water come for now. They tell me say I bring lights come for now. By the grace of God, when I come back next time, I go do all of these things for now. Saturday, September 19th, all of you, all of Arewa, come out. Come and vote for PDP. When you vote for PDP, you vote for Obaseki.
A former governor of Kano State, Alhaji Rabiu Kwankwaso, and a Edo State chairman of Kano.
Una don see am abi, so na that video na be the place where Obaseki come dey demonstrate say make dem come vote for am, so that if he come back he go give Nigeria light, you understand? So if federal not get light, how states won't take get light? All those things na why you scam just to win the election, they will still veer, you understand? So me I no dey believe all those their promises, because e don tell what we dey for the story, e don tell what they dey for the matter, when e be say they will promise heaven and earth, at the end no get what they will fit do. So more go straight to another news, most still know as it happen.
Prince TV.
Alright, so now welcome back again. That's your boy Prince TV. So for this particular one, we want to talk again now. The one of Savini, the way this man went to the go round to the rally for Italy, a guy when I see an shock. Say this guy, now he just the Rompi Colioni. They go everywhere, different places, go the rally. Say may they vote him again or may come back to power. Put picture here, may they say so. Ogami, you hold on too much. May they vote you. Why they first vote you before? You not do well. You wicked immigrant. You remove many things when the business is supposed to benefit people. You just say get Italian when the business they not still like immigrants. So all those things when they do so, you need to change. If you know say you won't come back, you need to change. You first promise the parliament say if you come back, you know destroy everything where they don't put for immigrants. So if you not do that one, so Ogami, you know they come back anywhere. So now this man might be the man that they cause Savini. So man they see for that. So he say he won't come back. He come they rally for everywhere. Even though when he go for Napoli, when he come go, they do many things for Napoli. When Napoli people come, they welcome. And before if you go Napoli, a guy they pursue him. But when you go there now, so they welcome this man. You understand? So now when they say in just be like person. When be say don't they get 90 to 80% to to come back to power, but we know say you know go fit come back with God, you understand? You know if you come, because if that man come back he go destroy many things when he be say the new government already create for with the immigrants when they for the countryside. But those of you when be say I never see the video when he be say come the Olympic colony they rally for everywhere. Demonstrate. Alright, and I don't see another video, so now be don't want to take go for Napoli when you can go to talk, say me the vote for her. Now they say that they shout his name, Matteo, my this, my that guy, nothing like Matteo. You know they come back again to power. Our Luciana when we get, so it do okay for us. The woman they do well for immigrants. So if you say it's possible when we the immigrant go fit vote, we go still go to vote. You understand? You understand? So if you immigrant let immigrant go vote, we know say Lamojese go still remain there where he did. So that woman, so I still the handle immigrant, it makes sense, you understand? Now Lamojese now we just want, so we not want having it. So you want to be say you watch this video, may try to keep your comments under the comment section, which you they see, what you think about the Savini to come back again, because the way the guy they run up and down now. Tomorrow go day Napoli, next tomorrow he go day for Sicily, the other one he go day for Torino. So the way when they run up and down now, me myself I not going to understand again. So you want to be say you watch this video, may try to keep your comments, more know as it go be, you understand? If not to they pray every time, more see they pray me this guy not come back, because if he come back guy, immigrant go here well, not be saying bobo juice, you understand? So and so the matter take be so we'll rest the case for you again. So you will never subscribe, you try to subscribe to our channel, so that anytime when it be so we upload our video, you will see as they happen. So you stay blessed and stay nice. Till next time again, we'll meet together.
Charger. this. And make my life sweat like yeah.